Hello everyone, this will be a video to demonstrate the out-of-the-box bubble level demo that comes with the MIMX RT1050 EV Kit from NXP. So I have plugged in the board and we already have two LEDs blinking, but the LED here which is used to test the onboard accelerometer doesn't seem to glow. I just zoom in a bit. It is actually not changing when I tilt the board. As you can see, I'll just change the axis of the board and there is no change still. So this means that this board has not been preloaded with the bubble level demo that comes usually with the i.mx RT1050 EV kit. Okay, now let me plug it out. The USB is quite strong and it requires some force to plug it off. And here we have the camera port, and this is how we should open this, and it's quite easy to open. Hope it's visible. Yeah, so just pull it towards the front and you can connect it to the camera. And at the back we have the display ribbon cable connector and the touch display ribbon cable connector, and it's like just pressing and move it towards the front, it will just open like this. And for this also just a little force is required. Then we just need to insert the ribbon cables into it and then press it backwards like this, and it will hold it in place. Yes, it is now inserted. And next we have the touch. Before going, let me confirm whether it is in place, and yes, next we can go to the touch ribbon cable. I'll just fast forward from here. And finally, I made it. Yes, I inserted the touch and the display ribbon cables into their place, and this is how it will look when it placed over the board. Let me try to plug it in and to see whether any demo video is being uploaded or pre-programmed into the board. The power is on. As you can see, the LEDs glow and the LAN ports, LAN LED as well. But there is no display, so I guess it's again a manual work. to load it to test the display and the accelerometer. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned on more updates on this road test.